Modern traders increasingly look for platforms that combine accessibility, operational efficiency, and security into a single experience. TrueMagnumWay was developed with exactly those priorities in mind. From the moment users create an account, the platform focuses on providing a clear and structured environment. Registration can be completed without requiring an initial balance, allowing users to explore the platform before activating additional functionality. Because TrueMagnumWay operates entirely online, there is no need for software installation. Users simply access the platform through a browser and can begin managing their account from virtually any connected device. The platform also emphasizes transparency in account management. Structured request procedures, secure verification processes, and clearly defined operational guidelines help users navigate platform activity with confidence. Dedicated account sections provide access to important information, helping users understand each step of the process.